Hi guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. For today's video, believe it or not, and for the first time, I will try. Gosh, you see nothing. Sorry, the Kylie cosmetics, guys. One of my followers asked me to try this brand. This is a famous brand, and because I didn't try it, I still didn't try it, and it will be really the first time. For that, believe it or not, I've chosen the cheapest eyeshadow palette. I want to be honest with you guys, because I really don't know about the texture, about the pigmentation, and it's pricey. So that's why I've chosen a palette that no one really liked. First of all, when I picked some makeup products, I really like to purchase or make my order on their own website. Why? Because I really want to see how they send to you, how the packaging it is, and how they really take care of people who pay for that. You know, I mean, we really make lots of money, and for me it's really fair just to receive those products in the best way ever. So that's why I've purchased those products on her website, on Kylie Cosmetic website, and I was really happy for that because the packaging is pretty good. I mean, it's really protected with this kind of moussey things, and yeah, the palette is here, guys. It's a really small palette, believe it or not, and I feel that they take care of me, you know what I mean? Because I make money on these products, and yeah, that's really fair game. The palette I've chosen is this one. This is the Kylie Cosmetics. This is the collaboration with her sister Courtney, and I know that lots of people don't really like this palette, but I don't know, I can't tell because I've never tried it, so it will be my first time. For the packaging, I really like it. I mean, it's typically Kylie Cosmetics packaging. Kylie Jenner packaging are always really not weird, but cute, really cute packaging. And yeah, this is like, outside is something holographic, you know, like this with kisses everywhere. This is so cute, and the name of her sister Kurt and Kylie Cosmetics, and inside it's a green. This palette, the palette is just here. It's really cute palette. I mean, the packaging is really cute. Here it is, the palette, guys. Seriously, I've chosen this palette because it's cheap first, and on the other hand, because I feel that this palette, this color here, really, I was really impressed by this color. I mean, this color called my name. I mean, I really like this color, you know. I really like this color. This is a shimmery one, and this is a matte one. So I think I can make a look with this palette. That's why I've chosen this palette. It's not, this is the cheapest one on her website. The concealer. Never tried it, guys. Really never tried the concealer. I've chosen two concealers because I don't know which one can really be good for me. I don't know. So I've grabbed two concealers, then I can, because I don't know, you know, which one can be good for me. This is really light, fairest than this one. This is lightest than this one, but we will see. And I didn't find the highlighter, the pressed one that I want to get, so I'm just waiting. I'm on the wish list. I don't know how we say it, like I'm waiting for that. But I've chosen this loose powder from Kylie Jenner, loose powder highlighter, and this is the Fiji one. Yes, this is the Fiji one. I even didn't open it. I mean, I don't know what is it. Seriously, guys, I didn't see lots of YouTubers talking about that, or use it, or try it, I don't know. But let's see. I'm a little bit afraid because for sure I paid this with my own money, guys, and don't want to be disappointed. Okay, this is done. Okay, here it is. Yes, focus. It's okay. Jump to the video. I really like it. I mean, it conceals my darkness, and this is the aim, I mean the purpose of concealer. I think I will use both of them. I mean, I will keep both of them because I can use one to conceal and the other one for brightening. And seriously, I really like it. I mean, for the moment it doesn't crease, but in any case I will set my under eye because all the concealers crease really under my eye. So it doesn't bother me, you know, to set it, and I will set it for sure. But seriously guys, it's a good product. I mean, I have nothing to say on that. I know that there was so many drama about Kylie Cosmetics, and I don't care about that. I mean, it's just makeup, and if it works, it works. So seriously, I like it. Today I will use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Elimination. This is a good setting powder, guys. I didn't see, again, any YouTuber talking about this powder, and I've purchased this one in London when I was there, and I really like it. Don't know why, but they dark my under eye. I don't know why, I can't explain it. But some powder did this with my under eye, but this one not. And I'm happy for that. So this is what I'm gonna do. I really like this one. If you didn't try it because it's worth it. Like really. And for the rest of my face, Laura Mercier. Let's do the under eye. Back to the palette. For the moment, I will say nothing. Just we finish and we will talk about the palette, right? So guys, the eye look is finished, and seriously, what I think, sorry, about the palette, I like it. I'm sorry. I know. For sure, I will grab all the palettes from Kylie Cosmetics because why not? And I'm really happy. I just want to let you see the look, the eye look. Sorry, I come with. This is the eye look I did. Don't know what you think, guys, but this is my first time doing this kind of eye look, believe me or not, but it's true. This is really my first time. Personally, I'm happy about this look with my favorite brush from Fenty Beauty. So if you remember, this is the loose powder, highlighter powder from Kylie Cosmetics. I think you can use it by itself, I think so, or you can use it on a pressed highlighter. I think so. So for today, I will use it for itself just to see, and if I feel that I need to mix it with a pressed highlighter, why not? I mean, ooh. Ooh, no, guys, you there's a problem here. Look at this. Okay, this is not normal. I barely touched. Ooh, this is too much for sure. It's too much for me, but I mean, I'm happy because guys, this is really intense. Oh my gosh, seriously, are you kidding me? Like, this is, don't know how to say. I mean, if you use this one, you don't need any other highlighter. This is too much for me, I can't. And what I like, it doesn't emphasize the texture. You know what I mean? If you have a texture face like me, it doesn't emphasize the texture of your face. And it's like wet glow, you know what I mean? I really recommend this. I recommend this. I told you, I'm not a beauty guru. I purchased this with my own money, but it's really worth this. Let me try on my, but this time I will really take care. I will just take a little bit like this on my Cupid's bow. Oh, Okay. Oh yes, yes, yes. Don't know if you see. I mean, this is this kind of highlighter you want to make it everywhere. Oh gosh, I love this look. I'm in love with this look, guys. Sorry, maybe for you it's too much, I don't know. But this is holidays and let's go with this one. This is from Chanel. This is the color. This is not my first time using this lipstick. This is like pinky, soft pinky. On the top, I will go with the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe lipstick. Really like this one, guys. I'm in love with this one too. Oh yeah. Yes. And that's it. So guys, tell me, what do you think about this look, please? Let me know. This is the look I come with, the Courtney collab with Kylie Cosmetics. I really like this palette once again. Highlighter, it's crazy highlighter. I love this highlighter, and for sure this is a loose highlighter, by the way. Powder highlighter, loose. Let me see, please. Yeah. This is a loose highlighter and I really like it. It's bomb, and yeah, this is the look. I like this look. Don't know what about you. Please let me know, please, in your comment, and follow me, subscribe. And yeah, if you enjoy this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. Let me your comments. Love you and thank you.